so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Hello guys, and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I have prepared 10 easy and simple and really useful tips and tricks concerning your iPhone. So I believe that maybe most of you know some of them, but I believe also that you might not have heard even about them, all right? So it depends. So in this case, just watch them, all right? And then type in the comment below whether you know or how many of them you already use or not, all right? So the first one actually is, I'm going to go to the notes, all right, and try to type or write down something. Now, just like this one, all right? So instead, or in case, all right, when we want to undo typing or texting or writing something, okay, we shake the device, or we could say the iPhone, all right? But instead of that, you can do this, all right? Just tap with 3 fingers, and then you'll be able to undo and even to do like more things, all right? So maybe copy, paste, and cut, right? So that was the first one. Okay, now let's move to the second one, all right? Now I'm going to go to the Google Maps, all right? Okay, so for Google Maps, sometimes when we want to zoom in and out, all right, so we use 2 fingers, all right? So if I pinch in, all right, as you can see, it zooms out, all right? But if I do the opposite, of course, it zooms in, okay? So instead of this one, actually, you can do this. Double tap, all right, and they do this. As you can see that I easily, all right, zoom in and out with 1 finger, all right? Okay, so let's move to the third one, all right? Now, do you know that if you tap and hold App Store app, all right, you can go straight from here to redeem a card or even go to the updates or even see your purchased, we could say apps, all right? So I'm going to go and choose this one, all right? And then as you can see, all right, I'll be able, so as you can see, I can redeem a card, I mean, this easy, all right? So it's cool. Just tap and hold the App Store, and then you'll be able to do these, we could say, functions, all right? Now, moving to the third one, all right? So this is, I mean, maybe something you have to worry about, all right? So go to the location services, all right? Okay, so let's turn it on for now, all right? And then system services, all right, and scroll down to the significant locations. Now, what are these? So these are like significant locations, all right? So this allows your iPhone and iCloud connected devices to learn places significant to you in order to provide useful location related information in maps. So, all right, if you turn it on, all right, you'll have like, as you can see now, I have 102 records available here, all right? But I can clear the history just tapping on this one, all right? And then it will be cleared. In case you don't want like to share your significant places or locations, all right, with the device and all the other things that we've already said, just keep this one off, all right? And then no problem here. Okay, now moving to the 5th one, all right? Now, if you tap on search here, all right, sorry about that. If you tap and hold on search here, as you can see now, you can delete, you can delete and move the apps, all right? But of course, maybe you didn't know this, all right? If you like move your finger, swipe your finger right and left, all right? So as you can see, I can go like or through the pages available on my iPhone, okay? And we also have something else here, all right? Now tap again, as you can see, all right, on search bar, all right? And then you will be able to hide, all right? To hide a whole page full of apps, all right? Even like more than one, okay? As you can see now, I'm gonna go and see, all right? Now only 3 pages available, all right? Tap and hold again, okay? Tap and hold, all right? And then tap again, and then you can unhide them or going back as before. As you can see, all the pages are like, we could say, like before. Now, number 6 tip for today is, all right, now let's say that I'm in, for example, in the settings, okay? Now, when we want to like move or swipe to another app, all right? So we do this actually, all right? So we do this, okay? And then move to the app that I want to, okay? But do you know that just tap and hold here, move it, all right? Left and right, and then you can easily move between, we can say switch between the opened apps, just like that. This is cool, right? Yeah, instead of doing this, all right, you can just do this, okay? Yeah, as you can see, I am moving or switching between one app to another. All right, tip or trick number 7 for today is that, did you know that you can type to Siri and not only use your voice? So for this one, you can go to the accessibility in your settings and then go to the Siri and then type to Siri. And it's just that easy, right? Okay, now let's move to number 8, all right? Now going to the clock, all right, and then to the timer, all right? So I'm gonna use, okay, like 8. This is just like an example, all right? And then choose the timer, all right, that you wish or you want, all right? And then scroll down this to stop playing and set. Now start, all right? And we will see what happens, okay? So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the device stops playing, okay? So this will happen, right, to any app that is already opened and you're using it. And it's really useful sometimes to use when you listen and watch something and you fall asleep, or you don't want to forget to, close that, we can say app or that thing that you're using. So this is the right thing to do. Now, number 9 is you can set a timer just as quickly as possible, just like that, in like a couple of seconds, okay? So you can, add the quick timer to, all right, the control center. So go to the settings, all right, okay, and go to the control center, all right, and then you will add this one, all right, to the, we can say included controls, and that's it, all right? Okay, now, all right, guys, the last tip, or we can say trick for today is, now this is when, in case you have like a group of, like, for example, apps, okay, and then you have this badge that appears and says that you have a notification available here, all right? So in case you want to know which app, all right, has a notification for you, and easily and quickly, just tap and hold the folder, all right, and then it tells you. So it is the Viber. So just tap on it, all right, and then you'll be able to get into the app that has like a notification or more than one for you, right? And that's it. So I hope you guys find these, we can say, tips and tricks useful. Let me know how many do you know already and how many you don't, all right? See you next time. Subscribe for more content like this one, all right?
I don't think so. No, 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 no.